I'm sure we can all agree it's good to keep our planet healthy. There are several ways to help, big and small. Many of them can feel complicated, inconvenient, or possibly confusing. At Peterman Brothers, we offer many products to help you be more comfortable and efficient in your home. One of them, in particular, is able to both increase your home's efficiency and your comfort without any lifestyle changes. Want to learn what that is? Stay right here. Hello everyone, and welcome to the Homeowner's Handbook. I'm Chad Peterman. So whether you're looking for a way to help the planet or improve your comfort, you're watching the right video because this product can do both. That product is a tankless water heater. For the next two episodes, we are going to break down just some of the benefits of owning a tankless water heater. Today's video is dedicated to sharing how tankless water heaters help the planet, and the next one is how it improves your life and comfort. Let's jump into how tankless water heaters help this little blue ball we call home. First up is energy consumption. Depending on your usage, tankless water heaters can be up to 34% more efficient than the traditional water heater. This is due to the on-demand nature of tankless water heaters. Traditional water heaters run constantly. That means you are both paying for and consuming energy that is never used. Tankless, on the other hand, only run when you need hot water. Next is maintenance. The most common size of traditional water heater is 40 gallons. To get the most life out of your water heater, it is recommended to flush it once a year to prevent scale buildup. That means pouring 40 gallons of water either down the drain or into the street. Once that is done, you must fill the tank again and reheat another 40 gallons. In short, if you have a traditional water heater, you're supposed to waste 40 gallons a year. Tankless are, again, far less wasteful. Yearly maintenance is still required to get the most out of your water heater, but instead of pouring gallons and gallons of water into the street, all you need to do for a tankless is cleanse it with vinegar. Finally is disposal. Often, water heaters end up in landfills, a growing problem, particularly here in the US. Tankless water heaters are only a third of the size of a traditional water heater and, if maintained properly, can last up to 3 times longer. That means that traditional water heaters contribute 9 times the waste to landfills over the lifespan of one tankless water heater. And that's our show. We hope you learned something new about tankless water heaters. If you're not quite sold yet, come back for our next episode where we break down how tankless water heaters improve your comfort. We'll see you then.